Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day here and my day has started long time ago. Went on the road, dropped the kids to school, whole lot of shebang. I came back and I felt my body crash. When I say crash, I literally crashed. I wanted to sleep. So I'm like, okay Mel, go and take a nap girl. So I took a nap and I am up and the time is just flying by. It's almost 4 p.m. already. And what am I here doing? Can you see? Red and pretty. I am mixing my sorrel to put in my freezer for tomorrow and whatever left for the following days. Because tomorrow I have my Christmas dinner. I have a few friends coming over tomorrow for Christmas dinner. So tomorrow morning I get up and I'll be at it tomorrow morning. You guys know my Christmas menu is always a whole set of Jamaican things. So I have a few friends coming over. I'll tell you guys more about that in tomorrow's vlog. But for right now, I'm sweetening my sorrel and then I'm gonna head out to go to the supermarket to do our weekly shopping, and then you guys will see the kids and the husband and everybody through the supermarket's haul. So have a good day. Subscribe if you're new to the family. Catch up and keep up with us. And welcome to another day of my life living in France. Yes, the Jamaican Christmas. Have to go on anywhere with it. Have to happen anywhere we are in the world. That's for sure. Alright. Fresh girl, it's fresh. One sugar. So I'm gonna sweeten the sorrel, put some with rum, some without rum, make my supermarket list and jump on the bus. And by the time I finish supermarket shopping, then the fam bam should be there to pick me up and we should be good. I already seasoned chicken and curry goat and everything from yesterday. So those are well marinated and in the freezer. You guys know that I had sorrel in my fridge for 1 year, and babe and I just drank it last week. My friends came over last weekend and we drank it together. I had 2 bottles of sorrel in my freezer from last year and it just finished. Well, in time for the new batch. Alright, I'm gonna throw rum in one and package it, and then I'm gonna package some without rum. Look at the rum. Yes! Anybody drinking this tomorrow? I'm sorry for you. Half of the bottle I throw in it, you know. You'll be wanting to knock out to sleep. It smells so good, and I always use the St. James rum. This rum is from St. Martin because I don't have the Jamaica rum here. I always forget to order the Jamaica rum. You can get it from the girl in Belgium.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hi guys, we are back from the supermarket and my baby boy is not feeling well, so you guys will not see him in the excitement of the haul, but he just told me he don't want to miss rock paper scissors when he's not feeling well. So we're gonna kick off the supermarket haul real quick so I can go get him dinner and take care of him a bit. Sarah, say hello to Faves. Honey, say hello to Faves.
Wagwan. Woo.
Oh my gosh.
Come. Wow. Boom. Hey, it's time for the yeah.
Alright, Tai is 6, so only me, you and Papa, okay?
Okay.
Alright, here we go. What's this?
Oh, glass.
Mama buy some water glass. So you guys know something's about to go up, right? Something's about to happen in this house tomorrow.
What is that?
Mama,
Yes, tie.
Christmas for where? Put on the windows.
Water ice cream when you're sick? No, you won't have no water ice cream. Look, I'll buy this for you and your sister. To put on the window when you finish, okay?
Oh, what is that?
I bought this for the kids.
Paper.
Sticker for the windows.
Paper for who?
Sarah and Mama.
And to do what? What you gonna do with that?
Mama bought something for you.
A puppy bonnet. A puppy
It's for Tai
bonnet.
Tai. You already have Christmas bunny that Tai Tai passed on to you when he was a baby. It's for Tai Tai, but Mama bought something for you too.
What is that?
Look,
A mac and cheese and
Look.
extra cheese.
Mama bought this for you.
This is to,
Yeah.
what this is for?
What?
To make extra cheese
The mac and cheese.
mac and cheese.
Yeah.
You know, I used to have that in my
Wow.
omelette with ham and bacon at
Yeah.
school.
Give it. Tai Tai is not feeling well. We'll put it on later.
Ooh, we have a pizza. Oh no, it's just for the cheese. Somebody she was about to make pizza. I was excited. Homemade pizza. It's not homemade pizza, it's just cheese. Wow, you bomb.
Anyway, Sarah, what's this? Yeah, but you cannot bend the thing. No, you'll break
What
it.
is that?
Look, what's that? Let's go. What's that? What's this?
Oh, come on now.
For who? And? No, leave the egg.
Yeah.
Leave that? Okay, what's this? Donut for?
Cheese again, mac and cheese.
What's that? Banana fonce. Nutella for Tai Tai.
We have mayonnaise and
Cereal bar.
tinny for the
This is
Jamaican.
for Thai.
For make the porridge extra super sweet.
The kids are on vacation as of today for 2 weeks, so I know that porridge is a must.
How many mac and cheese? That's the fourth mac and cheese that are
Because
I
there is
guess.
4 boxes.
only four.
Yeah.
What do we have here? Sarah, what is that? Oh, it's red beans. Red beans for the rice and peas. Say rice and
Peas.
Yes. Oh, wow. What is that? I think it's full. Like she didn't take any beans.
Really?
Yes, I don't know if they give her beans.
Maybe.
What we have here, we have oil. Looks like the oil problem is done now. We have some rice, basmati, thinking about.
Rice and peas.
Who you think about when you see this?
Marianne.
Marian from British. British. You got British after you kick her ass too. We have juice, apple juice, orange juice. As usually, she probably gets some other juice.
No,
I don't know.
No other juice.
No, no other juice.
Coca on the back.
Okay, we have cacao on the back, she said.
And we have shrimps. There's shrimps. Oh yes, there's shrimps.
Decoration for table. What's going on there? You invited people? Or it's for me?
You have to watch tomorrow vlog to
I
know.
have to watch tomorrow vlog to know if people are here. Oh, I'm gonna watch tomorrow vlog. Sarah, what is that? Sarah? It's lemon. Lemon for who? For
Yes,
Mama and for
but
Tai Tai when
very
he's sick. He make lemon
I'm
and
definitely gonna
honey.
have to give some to Ty tonight. I have crepe for Tyler, biscuit for Tyler, biscuit for Tyler. Sarah is not a biscuit kind of girl. Sarah really eat biscuit. Tyler love
She will
biscuit.
eat chocolate.
There's bread and mushwa. I buy these specifically to Ty can. There's candy.
Yes.
Where? Yes, it's all.
Oh, there's this one. Is
That's the
shudu.
cabbage.
Shudu.
What is shudu?
That's not cabbage.
What?
That's shudu.
It's from the cabbage family. What's the
Yeah.
difference between this and
It's
the other one?
not cabbage. It's cabbage too. It's shudu.
It is cabbage. It's just a different type of cabbage.
Alright, what we have here. What you have to do
Shudu
with
means
that?
it's not as tough
What you have
as
to do with
the
that?
other one. Scale it and slap you with it.
Slapping you. I'm slapping you. Oh, we we have another color for the
We have
table.
Tissue and Mushra. Yeah, I'm sticking to my red and gold from last year. I'm just gonna have more people this year.
What is that, Sarah? Is
Quack, quack, quack.
what sounds meant the chicken?
Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack. Yeah, quack. Give me man.
Oh, somebody make a wish. Coconut
I
water.
feel for coconut water this week.
All week, she tell me every day I want coconut water. Until my ears really have literally a problem. I had to go to the doctor.
I thought you were-
because here it was giving me a problem.
I
Coconut
thought you were
water.
going to say until your ears literally have coconut in it. That sound like something you'd say.
No, that sounds like you will say that. I say only thing that makes sense. Like for example, this look like your hair is half sense.
No, give me this one because you ain't getting it for your mouth.
Oh, she also get fork and knife and whatever.
Every time
And
they
she
bend over to
got muscat.
It's not made.
Nutmeg.
Alright, in this bag we have yogurt. You know, we cannot go supermarket and don't buy yogurt. I don't think any French family go to the supermarket and don't buy yogurt. That's not a myth. That's a vrai.
We have the couscous for Tyler.
Who's fat
We have-
right
We have apple for whoever wants apple. You like apple? What apple? Apple and bananas.
here? More yogurt. On top of more yogurt.
Alright, what else is there? Salmon probably there.
Salmon.
I tell you.
What else is there?
Mean pizza.
No.
Cheese.
Fish.
Frozen fish.
What else? The last one.
Green beans.
That's it.
Where's the
But
cheese?
why you want the fish? Oh, there's no cheese.
Oh no!
I was so sad when I go in the island and don't see it go.
Where's the raclette? Where's the raclette cheese? Mama needed no raclette.
I can't buy raclette cheese when we're gonna eat this week. Not possible. Alright, rock, paper, scissors time. 6 person you want to come. You soon get fish. Sick. Malika Sicky, come. Tell her you sure you want to do rock, paper, scissors?
You used to go towards us so I can do it where you know.
No, you have to come around.
Use strengths.
Sarah, no, don't do that. That's why she wants the fish. You see what she doing? Touch the cold fish and rub up on her cheek. Oh, my boo-boo.
Let me kick your ass so you go back where you okay?
Yo, Papa said, they don't even have any mercy anymore when you see. They say it's gonna kick you so you can
Ready?
go back and lay down.
Ready?
Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One tie. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One papa. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 2 tie. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 2 papa, 2 tie. Oh my gosh. Anybody
Every time
win?
this when you win it's like
Boss.
straight face. When you lose, you look at you like beaten face.
Today you have 2 personality. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, winner. Tyler for the win. Tyler for the win. Tyler for the win.
I check the last one. Alright, I lose.
That.
I lose. I want chocolate from today.
Daddy!
Don't do that. Calm down your body.
Alright, that's it for today. We are going to eat because me hungry. We all hungry, trust me. Catch!
Move. Sarah, no. Don't touch anything up there. No, it's not a toy. No, madam. Let me show you this thing that I don't know if you guys noticed it, that is new on the wall. Who is that? Who is that? It's Bob Marley. Yes. So Danielle gave me this clock. It's actually a clock for Christmas last year, and the part that's supposed to go at the back where the battery is supposed to go in and then attach the sticks onto it at the front, I do not know where I do with it, but I'm so in love with it. I had to find a way to put it on the wall, so it's no longer a clock for me. It's just a piece of art. Okay, look at it like that. So I just put a tack in the middle and hold it onto the wall because I cannot find the piece for the battery. So Bob is added to my wall. Anywho, I'm coming on to end today's vlog. So today's kind of prep day, not really, but kind of sort of ish, because tomorrow is the big day. Tomorrow, big things are going tomorrow. Yeah girl. Tomorrow I'm having my annual Christmas dinner that I have every year. You guys know or may not know that I live in France. I am hundreds and thousands of miles away from my country and my family. So to let me feel at home and feel like Christmas the way I'm used to it back home, I always have my Christmas dinner in advance because I always go away to my in-laws for the Christmas. So to not feel too left out, I always invite my friends, or if it's just me and babe and the kids alone, then that will do. But this year I'm having a few friends over. Well, you guys will see tomorrow, but as usual I'm cooking all the Jamaican things that I can get my hand on. So menu, I won't show you that until tomorrow, but anyway, I prep saltfish in water, peas in water, jerk chicken, curry goat, whole chicken, for mostly for the kids because the kids won't eat the pepper jerk, because when I said it's pepper and it's turnip. So I'm really gonna do this whole chicken for the kids. And then I have ham here. The ham that I get here is not like the ham back home for Christmas, but it's the closest thing. So I buy the ham basically already cooked, and I had put it in the freezer, so I'm just taking out the towel. So what I'm gonna do tomorrow, to finish the preparation, I'll show you guys what that step is gonna be. So it's gonna taste a little bit different from the ham in France because of the sauce that I'm gonna use. It's gonna taste similar to the one that we have at home for Christmas time. And then of course we have cake. Oh my gosh, yes, three surviving. It's surviving, okay? Give me props, I didn't eat off all 8. And then I have potato salad is gonna go down, so I take these out of the fridge so that they're not too cold for my hand tomorrow when I'm prepping. So Sarah, say night night. Say night night to Faves. Look at her, because she knows she's going to bed, she's hiding. She's too funny, but anyway, she's going right to bed right now. So I'm going to end the vlog right here. Tyler is already in bed because he's not feeling so well, so he's sleeping. So give this video a thumbs up and let me know if you're gonna come back and watch tomorrow's vlog to see all this food that I'm gonna prepare, because I'm just looking forward to just eat my stomach full and enjoy chit-chatting with my friends and family and everybody that will be here tomorrow. So see you guys tomorrow. Comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, and I'm out.